So to fix this problem, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu and try to search for Google Play Store. So when you find your Google Play Store, what you have to do is to tap on it to open it. When you tap on it to open it, try to turn your data on and search for Boomplay. So when you search for Boomplay, this is going to pop up on. What you have to do is to tap on updates. So tap on this update to get the latest update of this app. So after updating it, you're going to see open over here like this. And what you have to do after updating it is go to your phone menu again and try to search for Google Play Store. Tap on the Google Play Store. Sorry, you have to search for settings, then you tap on the settings. So after tapping on settings, what you have to do is to tap on apps and notifications. Now tap on the see your apps, and you have to wait for it to load. And after loading, you're going to see all your apps listed alphabetically. Now what you have to do is to search for Boomplay. So tap on it to open it. Now tap on permissions and make sure every permission is allowed. Go back, tap on the force stop, then tap on OK, tap on storage and cache, then tap on clear cache, and make sure your show notification is toggled on after tapping on notification. Now go back and tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi or mobile data restriction on other device, and you're going to see background data. Make sure you toggle it on when it's off. So after doing this, what you have to do is to tap on the power button for some while.